Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to explain to you how you could potentially fix the Garmin Vivomove HR screen not working. So if you're currently having that exact same problem, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So I found this right here. This is a forum thread and somebody has actually written exactly like this. So actually one person was able to fix it like this. At the back of the watch, there's a small hole, kind of like to reset watches as you can see. And then what they did as they stuck something thin, like a thin needle into that small hole, and the watch now has the digital info again. I guess this could actually be one solution to the problem, but you have to be, of course, very careful to be able to actually do this right here. But if you can, then there's a chance that you will be able to fix the problem. If you don't want to be able to do that, and you actually still have a warranty or like a guarantee on your Vivomove HR device. If you still have guarantee on that, what you can also do, as you can see, this person wrote like this: you need to get in contact with Garmin support. The support will send you an RMA number, and then as you can see, their watch has been replaced by Garmin. And this is exactly what this person right here writes. So this is also a thing that you can try to do, is to get in touch with the Garmin support and explain to them the issue. And if you still have a guarantee on that, hopefully they will be able to help you to fix it like that as well. So basically, this is two solutions to this problem that could potentially work.